Welcome back everyone, this is Diksha, and in this fresh episode of Python programming language, let's see what are types of parameters or arguments are there in Python, and especially in this video let's discuss about the four main important arguments there in Python. Okay, so now let's quickly get into the video. So first let's start with positional arguments. What are positional arguments? Let's see. By default, all formal parameters acts as positional arguments. So what are formal parameters? Formal parameters are those parameters which are used while defining the function, not while calling the function. While calling the function, we use the actual parameters. So while defining the function, we use formal parameters. So these positional arguments acts as formal parameters. That's it. And in this case, both count and order of parameters are required to maintain. So if you're writing a code, the count and the order of the parameters need to be maintained. Now let's write a small program. Let's see how does it runs. So here positional arguments, by default all formal parameters acts as positional arguments. In this case, both count and order of parameters required to maintain. So my arguments are name and age. Here I had, like, say first I given my name, then I had given my age. So here I'm not writing my age in the beginning, I want to write here. Okay, age is equals to something called 25. Yeah, now just run the program. So here I got syntax error. Okay, just let me delete this comma. So here I got my name is equals to Diksha and age is equals to 25. This is how positional arguments run. Now let's go and see how does this keyword argument functions. So keyword arguments. So by default, all formal parameters acts as keyword arguments. So as these positional arguments also acts as formal parameters, the keyword arguments also acts as uh, formal parameters. So in this case, order is not manner. In this case, we have to pass the values with respect to names. So we need to pass the values with respect to their names. In this case, order is not matter, but count matters. So if you are passing five values need to be called, but they can be in any order. So there is an important point note here. So note, what does this note say? So positional argument follows keyword argument. So first you need to define positional argument, then you need to define an keyword argument. So here in the program you can see I'm defining my function as name and age. Print name is name and age is age. I'm printing my name and I'm printing my age. My name is equals to Diksha and my age is equals to 99. So here in this point we need to clearly observe that in this case order is not matter, but in this case we have to pass the values with respect to their names. So when I'm writing a name, I can write directly my name, but when I'm writing the age, I'm defining it to some variable or some so-called name called age. Now let me go to the program and see. Yeah, name is equals to, let me give a name called Suvidha. Yeah, name, print name is name, age is age. I'm printing both my name and age. My fun Suvidha age is equals to 99. Wait, just let me, 99 is too it's like 20. Yeah, let me run this program. See, here you can clearly observe that name is Suvidha and age is 20 as an output. So we need to understand this point that you need to pass the values with respect to the names. Let's go to the third one, which is position only arguments. So if any formal parameters which are declared left side of the slash parameters are called positional arguments. So here there is a slash. So before slash, what all you are defining comes under positional only arguments. And in this case, we have to pass the values with respect to their position, not by using their names. So we can only pass the values with respect to their position, not by using their names. I'll run a program and show you, then you will understand. So def my function name and age, then slash. So any arguments you're passing before the slash comes under positional only arguments. So I'm printing my name, I'm printing my age. Now I'm directly writing my fun, Arpita, and 19. So no need of writing name or no need of writing age. If you write as name is equals to Diksha and age is equals to 18, you're getting an error. And my fun, if you're directly writing name and defining your age with term called age, again you're getting an error. If you're writing my fun, if you're defining name with Kitu and writing your age directly, even then you get an error. If you're defining an empty, again it's an error. So here in this we need to observe very carefully that in this case we have to pass the values with respect to their position, not by their names. So names need not to be declared in position only arguments. You can directly pass the values. That's it. So you can go here. So slash before name and age. I'm running this program. You're getting name is Arpita and age is 19. That's it. It's very simple. Like, don't use their names. You can directly pass values in position only arguments. And position only arguments are defined when they are written before the slash. That's it. Very simple.